oh boy, I'm going to have trouble with this name. Lori Ann Murabito?
Murabito. Call me LA.
LA. I like that. Also, the author of Rethink Leadership: 4 Lessons to Make You Remarkable. So can you make Steve remarkable by the end of our interview?
Absolutely.
So let's work on it now.
4 quick lessons.
That's all.
Because I'm not a motivator for Steve.
No.
He finds me a demotivator.
Yes.
A demotivator.
Yes, he does.
That in itself can be motivating.
Yes, it is. Well,
What not to do.
I've tried. I've tried every trick in the book. Motivating, demotivating, incentive, decentive, you name it.
Decent.
Keep trying. Keep trying.
So why don't you tell us about your book?
It's a modern day parable about 2 people who meet in a coffee shop.
Oh, it's about dating.
Well.
No.
And somebody is having a bad day. The other person says something very profound and says, if you want to learn more, show up next week, which starts 4 weeks of lessons.
Oh, so this is part of a program.
It's a story to make it entertaining for the reader so that they finish the book.
So are you a coach?
I am.
So you sort of give them the book and you work them through the program?
And there are questions at the end of each chapter to make you think and
Why
plan
did you hire
and
Steve
change.
in the first place? I don't know how that got into the book. That's the end of chapter 2.
Oh, interesting. Just two. Jeez.
So how did you get into leadership?
Have you ever had a bad boss?
Did I ever have a good boss? I had one good boss because he was an alcoholic who was lazy.
I had the good fortune of my first job out
That was not a joke.
out of college.
Yeah.
I had a great boss. I had a great team that I worked with, and then and this was at Leahy Clinic, and then I changed departments, and that's when I really understood what my dad said, that work is a 4-letter word. And it was bad management, bad leadership in this department, and that's what made me start my study and about like what makes good leaders. Because good leaders make great departments, make great teams, productivity, innovation, you name it.
You know, it is. It's like baking. Baking isn't like cooking. It's a special